Welcome to ClearTask. If you are trying to log into Skrill but you are not receiving your verification code, you are definitely not alone. This is a very common issue in 2026, and today we will solve it together quickly and professionally. The most common reason for a missing code is aggressive email filtering. Open your email provider and head straight to your spam or junk folder. Look carefully for any recent messages from Skrill. If you find the verification email there, you need to open it and mark it as not spam. To prevent this from happening again, make sure you add Skrill to your safe sender list. Another thing to check is your blocked list. Sometimes automated emails get accidentally blocked. Go into your email settings and confirm that Skrill is not on your blocked contacts list. While you are in your settings, double check that the email address registered to your Skrill account is correct and active. A simple typo is often the hidden cause of this problem. If your inbox is completely clear and the code still is not arriving, we can bypass the email system entirely. Skrill offers alternative verification methods. Instead of waiting for an email, select the phone number verification option to have the code sent via SMS directly to your mobile device. SMS delivery is often much faster and more reliable. Alternatively, you can download the official Skrill mobile app. Logging in through the mobile app often triggers a different authentication process, which can help you bypass the email verification loop altogether. By applying these methods, your Skrill account will be verified and ready to use in no time. If this solution worked for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward technical guides.